What's going on, guys? Back again with another video here. This is one I want to do for quite some time. I just haven't had the chance to find them all, and not till a little while ago. So these are the Voltron Lions. This is not a redo, but it's the same line. These came out a couple of years ago. They're just promoting the 40th anniversary. These were popping up at Target like middle of the year, and then they kind of disappeared, and then just before the holidays they seem to re-pop up at Targets again. I was able to find this a couple of months ago on clearance for $14.99 at Target. Not a bad price considering this was $39 or $29. And I missed out in the first wave a couple of years ago, and I've always wanted to pick these guys up and see how these guys are. So yeah, let's crack this open. We're gonna be doing individual, and then towards the latter video we will combine them and see how tall this guy really is, because he is a pretty big bot. Pretty cool. I do like the Lions. I did watch the show this was based off of a couple of years ago. It was pretty good, nothing too crazy. But yeah, let's take a look around the box. As it says here, classic legendary Black Lion. This is the main housing for all the electronics. It does make noise. Let's push this button here.
Activate laser blade. They'll soon be defeated by Voltron, defender of the universe.
Yes, sir, they will be. So, all right, let's take a look around this side here. So it does have 60 phrases and sound effects. There is a shot of Voltron. Here is the back side here. So yeah, you can combine them all together and then connect them all to form classic Voltron. A little bit of the title card up there if you want to check that out and see what it says. This box is pretty massive. It is bigger than the other ones. There's Voltron there, and you get the red, green, blue, and the yellow Lions. So yeah, let's pop this guy open and see how cool he really is. Alright, sorry about that. Yeah, this guy was tough to get out the packaging. They zip tied him pretty well and band-aided him pretty well. So he is sealed in there pretty good. So yeah, he is a big old chunky lion. He is pretty hefty, considering he houses all the main electronics and stuff. But yeah, he is a pretty cool looking Black Lion. I do like it. It is nice and chunky and beefy. Let's take a look at the head sculpt here.
We will defend this planet.
Yes, you will. I accidentally touched the button there. But yeah, you can see here, you got the horns here. They'll fold up once you go into Voltron mode. The neck does go back and forth. It does go up and down. Mouth does open to an extent. If you go too far, you see a face. Hello there. So you want to keep that closed for about that much, so that way you don't see the head that much. Arms, paws, whatever you want to call it. Can't move up about that far. Back. Go about right there as well. Bottom part of the legs, go that far, and go about that far. And then posability for the back. Nice beefy ratchets. You go all the way back that far, forward, pretty much down to the position, and you get some knee bend here and some paw bend down here. But yes, nice heavy duty ratchets, so when you're transforming it into Voltron, it's going to hold up pretty well. No loose joints or anything on these. It is pretty good quality, considering it's from Playmates, which they usually tend to make things for smaller kids. I'm not saying this is for small kids, but if a kid could play with it, or if a kid is playing with it, I don't think you have to worry too much about them breaking it. It is pretty chunky and beefy. There's also some movement outwards here. Just not too much, just a smidge from the joint there. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Some size comparisons here, just to have a line on the side here. This is the Jungle Fury Red Lion Megazord. Put these side to side so you can kind of see what we're looking at. This one's a pretty big one on itself. It kind of dwarfs it a little bit, not too bad. This is heavy as well, just because it has batteries as well as this guy does. Another size comparison here is a Studio Series Nightbird from Rise of the Beasts. Pretty small compared to the line, I say so. You can ride underneath it, or she can ride underneath it pretty well. So yeah, this line is pretty cool. Let's check out some more of the noises here.
Form Voltron.
This guy does not come with any of the accessories. It's just the main line himself. All the other ones are with the other lines, the sword, the shield, and some of the other miscellaneous weaponry. Like I said, the only thing he comes with is the wings. You can also fold out for when you go into Voltron mode, or you can go in Lion mode too. You can kind of zoom around, fly around space, that kind of thing. Pretty fun, pretty fun. Fold it back down when they're not in use. Have it back there, off to the side. But yeah, all in all, a pretty good Lion mode. There's the chesticles. Voltron there. You got nice paint taps on the crest there. Nice gold, some blue, black, some nice shiny gold on the waist belt.
The galaxy is about to be secure. Form Voltron.
And it does light up as you push the button.
Lotor, your evil forces will never defeat us.
Exactly.
Lotor, your evil forces will never defeat us.
And they're kind of randomized, so 60 phrases. So I don't know how many they have on here. I'm not going to go through them all. I'm sure you could find it online what he says. But all in all, a good Lion mode. Can't wait to combine these all together and see how tall this guy really is compared to my biggest thing that I have, which would be my Super Train Megazord. So once we get this all combined in the end of the series, we'll compare it to the Super Train and see how big he easily is, because I know he's going to dwarf every other Megazord or combiner thing that I have. So yeah, hopefully this video was okay to you guys, and maybe you'll, if you see this guy in the store, pick him up. I would definitely say pick him up. It's a good robot, a good combiner, along the lines of Power Rangers and some of the Transformers that combine together. But hey, all in all, a good buy for the couple bucks that I spent on this compared to $30 brand new. So hope you guys have a good night. We will catch you later, and have a happy new year. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.